Terraform is not configuration management. Terraform manages infrastructure through provider APIs. Provider APIs expose resource settings, not operating system internals. Terraform state records infrastructure attributes returned by those APIs. The outcome is infrastructure enforcement, not runtime configuration enforcement. An EC2 instance is infrastructure. Software inside the instance is operating system state. Terraform records AMI, instance type, networking, and storage. Terraform does not record installed packages or running services. The outcome is invisible drift inside the operating system. On a submarine, installing equipment and calibrating equipment use separate checklists. Hardware installation proved the system existed. Calibration proved the system behaved correctly. Terraform proves the cloud resources exist. Configuration management proves the machine behaves correctly. Provisioners run during create or destroy operations. They do not continuously inspect the operating system. Terraform cannot compare package state against prior shell commands. Manual edits after deployment remain outside Terraform state. The outcome is configuration drift without Terraform drift. Configurations should outlive individual compute resources. Parameter store holds values outside the EC2 instance lifecycle. Applications can read configuration during startup or runtime. Replacing the instance does not destroy configuration data. The outcome is replaceable compute and persistent configuration. Account identifiers should come from provider metadata. The AWS provider can read the active caller identity. Terraform builds IAM policies from runtime account data. This removes hard-coded account numbers from reusable infrastructure. The outcome is portable IAM configuration across AWS accounts.